Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix Coinbase wallet something went wrong error. So whenever you see this type of problem, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you are using a stable internet connection. If you feel that your internet speed is not that good, then you can try this trick. For that, you need to swipe down your notification bar in the top, and here you just have to simply tap on the airplane mode. Then wait for 5 seconds and tap on the airplane mode again in order to turn it off. Once this is done, your internet connection, whether it is your own mobile data or Wi-Fi, it will get refreshed and you will get good speed. Now you need to launch your Coinbase wallet and try to just log in into it and check whether this problem is fixed or not. Now, if you are still facing this type of error, then the second thing that you need to do is to simply open your Google Play Store or App Store and search for any latest updates. If there is any updates available, then make sure that you tap on the update button and update your application. It is because sometimes whenever we use any outdated application, we get these types of errors. So make sure that you are using the latest version of Coinbase. Now, once both of these things are done and you are still facing this error, then what you can do is you can simply go to the app info of your Coinbase wallet. For that, you need to just long press on your Coinbase app and then tap on app info. Here, select the clear data option and tap on clear cache and press OK. After that, you need to again launch your application and check whether this problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then what you need to do is you need to simply uninstall your Coinbase wallet and reinstall it from Google Play Store or App Store. And I'm certain that with the help of these options, you will definitely going to fix this error. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.